What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. You're watching Tom Trips Out, and in this episode I'm in the former capital city of Cambodia, Oudong City. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Well, hey everybody, come along with me. Take a trip to a place to fight without sea. Meet people, see the joy they bring, and how much it costs to try new things. Well, come and watch me on the trip out. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Alright, so we are out here. We have the same driver as my Silk Island video, Peter, and he's brought us out here, and we're in Oudong City, the former capital of Cambodia, and we're in front of a pagoda. And right across the road from there is a path going up this hill or mountain, and at the top there's a beautiful temple. And he's told us there's a monument to Buddha, or I guess we'll see what it is when we get up there. So right at this entrance, there's a few local Khmer restaurants here that have, you know, a roof for some shade, and there's hammocks underneath, and they were selling flowers and some food. And now we're heading up to the top here.
And on the side they have many restaurants, the Khmer restaurant, different size.
Nice.
Long time.
You could go in there, take you went in
You
there?
can go to see. You can walk to see around. And after that we go up. When we go up, they have different names. Yeah, the Bat Ong Dung and
So this is just a monument, there's nothing inside?
they have also, but they put inside.
This the king statue? This is the king statue?
Is this, Peter, is this the steps you said the king would walk on?
Yeah, this is for the delegation, and the king also come this way.
So we're continuing up the steps here.
Yes.
We're noticing behind us a tour group has showed up, so this is a popular place people come to see, sometimes even on tour buses or as part of tour groups, and you can have a guide show you around and explain things and help you translate to the locals. But we're getting almost part way up here. Let me show you what I'm looking at here.
Yeah, that is look like the higher.
419.
This is 419. This step. You from?
So we're told there's 419 steps,
Very great English.
and every time we think we're at the top,
What state you living there?
some more steps reveal themselves over the hill.
My parents living there.
But we think we're getting close now. Closer, at least.
Hey, the lady, you look like Cambodia. Are you from United States too?
Alright, this is the final stretch, we think, and there's a nice Cambodian flag waving in the breeze at the finish line up here. And I think that's where there's going to be a big monument or statue or something. We can see the base of it.
It looks like.
So let's get closer and see what's up here.
And you take off your hat. Yeah, you can see that.
Oh, gold.
Yeah.
Yeah.
On the top. You can see there you can go down to see the Buddha with frog.
So they have these birds here, and you can pay money and they'll put one of the birds in your hands, and then you can release it, you know, make a wish and watch it fly away and everything. So we're coming down now through the top side and going over to the other side of the temple. Let's check it out here.
I don't know how can say, look like jelly.
Yeah.
You know jelly?
Jelly.
They jelly, but this different. But when the people they have the big belly, sometimes they do this
Big belly, yeah.
and become to reduce the
So now we're continuing out towards here. And just be really careful with our footing. Steep staircase and one little trip and cross over your ankle and trip. Ah!
I'm like,
sweaty.
We're all soaking through our shirts. It's so hot today and we're doing a lot of walking. And this pond behind, they're saying sometimes monkeys come to drink here and they've been seen like grabbing the fish out of there and eating them. And that's kind of weird because monkeys don't usually eat meat, but it might be more like a game with the monkeys, right? They'll grab it and eat it. They're playing with it, like how a cat swats a mouse around or something. So there's some flags here. This is the Cambodia flag, obviously, the first one. Then I've been told this is the Buddhist flag, which is, yeah, look at that.
Really, the Happy New Year, they do the both like this.
That's interesting. I never knew what a Buddhist flag was. Okay, so now we're at a different section and this is the pathway to lead to the animal Buddha. Prayang Prasad.
Yeah, Prasad. And there we can call the Preko Prekau.
Preko Prekau.
Yeah, Preko over there, Preko, that means the animal, cows animal.
Preko Prekau.
Yeah. Preko is the brother of the Prekau human.
Okay.
Yeah. This is for the cremation. People, yeah. They use here.
They cremate people inside here?
Yeah,
Yeah.
because when you pass away, Cambodia, we are Buddhist, we use the burn, burn, and after you collect the
Yeah.
small piece of the bone
Yeah.
and keep with the small box like this, and then they keep inside there, and we can call the cremation. Not finished. Yes. Just like this.
And the ceiling is engraved.
this is where the donations go.
So now we're coming out the other side of the temple through the exit, and it's kind of like a street market as you walk through the other side. And local Khmer people that live around here, and they've got their shops set up and places where you can get food and relax. And if you came with a tour group or something, you could all sit in these hammocks, and they'll come around and offer you drinks and maybe food that they make and stuff. And I'm sure there's also souvenirs, and there was children selling bracelets or trying to offer us stuff.
Here also it must be expensive too.
So we've come out now into a local market, and there's all this hot food here. It's crazy. Hello! This is a real local experience. Wow. I think these are little shrimps or something, or little fish. Yeah, river shrimp. So here they've got fresh honeycomb, and the bees are actually on it. It's like parts of a beehive. They grill it on the barbecue and then put chili and onion on it. Probably the sweet taste from the honey, and then you taste the barbecue and charcoal, and they season it with onions and chili. It'd be very good. Some more right here. Well, I hope you enjoyed seeing Oudong City, the former capital of Cambodia. That's going to do it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. And until next time, remember, how you spend your days is the way you spend your life. It's never too late to start tripping out.
Life is tall.